There is no substitute for hard work. Hello friends, welcome back to Signature Turned Autograph. I hope you all are well and safe. So let's start with today's story. This story is about that actor who started his acting career with 50 rupees per film and now earns more than 22,000 per day. Yes, he is no other than Abdul from Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. So let's know more about him in detail. His real name is Sharad Sankla and he was born on 19 June 1965 in Mumbai. He started his career as an actor in the Bollywood film Vanch in 1990, where he played a small role and was paid only 50 rupees. This was the start of his career. Then he played supporting roles in various Hindi films including Khiladi 1992, Bazigar 1993, Pyar To Hona Hi Tha 1998, Badshah 1999. He even played the character of Charlie Chaplin in a TV commercial of Cherry Blossom shoe polish. But the shocking part here is, even after working in such big banner films, he was jobless for almost 8 years. Yes, you heard it right. During these 8 years, he used to move around the doors of producers with his portfolio. He did not get any job despite his name. So he started working as an assistant director, choreographer and casting director. He did few cameos as well, but nothing big was found. In 2008, Asit Kumar called him to play the role of Abdul. Asit Kumar was his batchmate in college, so he knew him personally and professionally. Initially, he used to shoot 2 to 3 days a month, but the character became popular and people came to know him as Abdul rather than Sharad. He was born again from this show. Talking about his personal life, in 1993, he got married to Premila Sankla. The couple is blessed with one son Manav and one daughter Kritika. Now he earns more than 22,000 per day and he owns 2 restaurants in Mumbai. One, Pale Point Juhu and second, Charlie Kebab Andheri. So this was the story of Abdul, one of our favorite characters from Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. You can also check my last video, how Sundarlal made statue of PM Modi, which was auctioned at 4 crores. I also made video on Tanuj Mahasabe, the untold story, narrating his journey from CID to Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. Thank you.